Hi, my name is Ralph Terciano from AlchePharma, and today we are going to review or take a look at the aesthetics in regard to the Liposomal Citicoline. Now, the Liposomal Citicoline, which we have here, is produced, or I should say, we utilize Cognizin brand Citicoline. The reason being is this one has been clinically studied, shown to help increase with brain energy, cell membrane activity, alertness and performance as a whole. Neurotropic, as you like may be more familiar with. Now, what we're going to look at primarily is the viscosity, how it looks per se in the bottle, and also too, without being too redundant, how it mixes. So, what we have here basically is the Citicoline, as I'll show you right here on the camera. And if we look at it, you could see, for example, I don't know if you can see here from time to time, that it does tend to be a little thick. So it's probably very, very advisable to shake it up to get a good mix so you can have the active ingredient properly dispersed throughout the bottle. Now, the ingredients they use primarily in the product itself is oleic acid, polyglyceride, lemon oil, sunflower lecithin, sunflower oil, I should say, xanthan gum, potassium citrate, rosmarinic acid, natural mixed tocopherols, and so on and so forth. So it's a really clean formula, which is great because obviously it's going to be used orally and you could taste it. And now when you open it up, it has a strong lemon scent. Now let's open it up right here. I'm going to get a little close to the camera, give it an opportunity to focus there. There's that. And then it's only going to be no seal outside of the dropper, because you have to remember, you're not going to have a dropper at the top because you have to have the dropper in the cap. So just to give you a heads up. Now, the cool part about the dropper itself, and I don't know if you could see here, is, for example, it is labeled. So when you see a serving size saying 1 milliliter, you can find it pretty easily on the dropper itself. Now, it is fairly fluid. So I'm going to back it up here, and we'll take this one particular item here, and if you could see right there, because it's obviously it's going to be put in the water, and here we go. All right, now you can see a little bit of viscosity or the product itself in the glass itself, but however though, if it focuses properly, no mixing is required. So just in case, I had a spoon available, and let's give it a little bit of an additional test of the viscosity itself. And there it is. Now it can be done a couple different ways. You can either take the product as stated, or I should say as stated, as displayed, and you could drink it per se like this. And it is flavored with lemon oil. A very nice, soft flavor, nothing bitter, nothing medicine-y as far as its taste or even smell. Or you could take a little bit as per se. Now keep in mind, the dropper is marked so you can read 1 milliliter. Now it can drop out. So again, if you hold it too long, it's not very thick and it will begin to spill out on its own. So please be aware of that. And you can take it as stated. And you do, oh, it's got a really nice lemon flavor, a really nice lemon drop flavor. It's actually kind of addictive. Be careful, because it does taste very good. So keep out of reach your children, because it does kind of have that candy type lemon tart flavor to it. But again, a good review of the product itself as far as the aesthetics. Mixes wonderfully, tastes incredibly good, like a lemon drop per se, and the smell is well tolerated too, because it smells like lemon. It actually smells very good altogether. And so give you an idea, and this is basically it. It is, now if it says in focus, we'll back it up there, give it a few seconds. There it goes. AlchePharma Citicoline Liposomal Liquid. By the way, it is produced domestically out of a company for us, out of a company, now I can speak English, produced in Vermont. So it's domestically produced for us here at AlchePharma. Again, gratitude for watching the video, gratitude for being a customer, and I hope you enjoy this product as much as I do, because it does taste like candy. Although, no sugar, I want to reiterate that, but it tastes really, really, really good. The chemist did a wonderful job in the production of this product. Again, That is the Citicoline Liposomal liquid. Has great absorption. Read the studies on it if need be through the Cognizin site. I love this liquid. It is just great prior to gym, to wake up as a caffeine alternative. Just wonderful, wonderful product altogether. See y'all next time. Bye.